Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video so attractive collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye. So beautiful and trendy haircut. And overall collection very stylish, latest, most demanding. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about haircut. And a very attractive collection of pixie haircut. Bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful collection of different type of cut. Layered, deep layered, step, undercut, and different ideas of hair dye. Most popular hair dye, blonde hair color. Lightly blonde, dark blonde. In blonde streaks, highlights, chunks. And other shade of dye, black color. Grey color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, ash color. And many much more ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, spiky hairstyle. Spiky hairstyle with undercut. Some ideas, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. And messy hairstyle. And overall collection very stylish, latest, most demanding and very cute. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.